Hey, second grade writers. Yesterday, we worked together to start talking about the setting we're going to put into our milestone narrative. So let's continue. Today's learning goals, say them with me. I can describe a setting of a story using my five senses. Nice. How about this one? I can write a descriptive setting for my milestone narrative story. Great job. So the materials you're going to need today are a pencil and paper, and your narrative writing diamond. We want to remind ourselves the part of the narrative diamond that we're working on, which we will talk about in just a minute. You're also going to need your planning page from yesterday and sticky notes if you use them to write down the words you are going to use. So let's think about this. I know we talked about this yesterday, but it's always good to remind ourselves. What genre of writing are we learning about? If you said narrative, you're right. What do you know about this type of writing? Well, narrative writing is about a personal experience or about a character problem and solution. If you said one of those, nice job. What's the purpose of this type of writing? If you said it was to entertain, you are right. And how is this type of writing organized? Well, let's take a look. It's organized with the narrative writing diamond. So, last week we talked about the entertaining beginning, and this whole week we've really been focusing on the setting. Earlier in this week, you worked with Mrs. O'Connell to practice setting and talking about the setting in your story. And yesterday, we listened to the writing of some settings, and then we also planned out the narrative setting for your milestone story. So, remember that the setting is painting a picture in the mind of your reader about where your story takes place. And it's great to describe the setting using your five senses. So if you look at this, this was a document, a little tool that I sent yesterday in the learning plans to you. And it's just a bunch of words that you can use to describe different experiences you have in your narrative with the setting. So you can really use these great writing words to make your narrative more juicy. So what you're going to do today is you're going to take this planning page, okay, and those words that you chose, which might be on this planning page, or it might be in the in a sticky note. And you're going to take those and you're going to put them onto lined paper. This could be in your notebook. It could be a scrap piece of paper that you have. And it's important that this setting is with wherever you wrote the introduction, the entertaining beginning to this piece. So go ahead. Try out writing, make sure that you're using those second grade writing expectations, and also that you're rereading your piece to make sure that it makes sense. Happy writing.